We're given f of x and asked to determine the derivative function f prime of x. Notice f of x is a quotient of two functions of x, and therefore we'll have to apply the quotient rule of differentiation to find f prime of x. Looking at our formulas on the right, we use the quotient rule in the form of the derivative of u divided by v with respect to x equals v times u prime minus u times v prime, all divided by the square of v. In our case, notice u, the numerator, is equal to x squared sine x, and v, the denominator, is equal to x squared plus 1. Let's go ahead and find u prime and v prime now, because we'll need those to apply the quotient rule. Also notice to find u prime, we need to apply the product rule, because u is a product of two functions of x. Applying the product rule, the derivative is equal to the first function of x squared times the derivative of the second function, which is the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, and then plus the second function of sine x times the derivative of the first function, which is the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. And we also need to find v prime. V prime is equal to the derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x. And now let's go ahead and find f prime of x. The denominator is v squared, or the square of the original denominator, which gives us the square of x squared plus 1. And now for the numerator, we have v times u prime minus u times v prime, or the denominator of x squared plus 1 times the derivative of the numerator, which is u prime, which is the quantity x squared cosine x, plus, let's write sine x times 2x as 2x sine x. Then we have minus the product of u and v prime, which is the numerator of x squared sine x, times the derivative of the denominator of v prime, which is 2x. And now we need to work on simplifying the numerator. When simplifying in the numerator, we have four products here: 1, 2, 3, and 4. X squared times x squared cosine x gives us x to the fourth cosine x. And then plus x squared times 2x sine x, which gives us plus 2x cubed sine x. And then plus 1 times x squared cosine x, which results in plus x squared cosine x. And for the last product, we have plus 1 times 2x sine x, giving us plus 2x sine x. And then we have minus, let's write this as 2x cubed sine x. And now we look for like terms in the numerator, and we do have two like terms. We actually have two opposite terms. We have 2x squared sine x and then minus 2x squared sine x, which simplifies to 0. So let's write the derivative function as f prime of x equals, our denominator remains the same, the square of x squared plus 1. Let's go ahead and factor the numerator. Looking at the three remaining terms, they all have a common factor of x. Let's write the numerator as x times the quantity x cubed cosine x plus x cosine x plus 2 sine x. And we'll go ahead and leave our derivative function in this form. I hope you found this helpful.